How to connect Bluetooth speaker to Roku TV. Welcome to Grid Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. Before you begin streaming Bluetooth audio, you need to connect your speakers to your compatible Roku device. This is done through a discovery process called pairing, which allows Bluetooth devices to register information about each other to make a secure wireless connection. Because this pairing information is retained even when Bluetooth devices are powered off, it is typically only necessary to pair your Bluetooth device one time. The first step you want to do is press the home icon on your Roku remote, scroll and select Settings. Then you want to select Remotes and Devices. Now select Pair Bluetooth Device option. When you see the Bluetooth pairing screen, you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on or enabled in the speaker device. Wait for a moment for the Bluetooth device to scan for devices and discover your Roku device. Then you want to select your Roku device from the list of available devices. When you initially pair your Bluetooth device, it may also connect automatically to your Roku device. When it is connected, you will see a connected status next to your Bluetooth device. When you see that your speaker is connected, you are ready to begin streaming Bluetooth audio. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.